Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys my robot. So let's get into the video. So guys, here is my buddy. So he actually goes out and captures everything what's happening outside, and you can just sit at home and just relax and just control him and see what's happening outside. Because this is lockdown, we cannot go out, so I made this robot, so we can just send this robot and you can just see what's happening outside. So let's go. To make this project, I have used Arduino Uno, motor drive, HC05 BT module, LED, 330 ohm resistor, few jumpers, USB cables, Wi-Fi adapter, Raspberry Pi 3B plus, 2 gear motors, chassis, and that's it. So here's my robot. So and here's my phone. I'm just controlling it with my phone. So I'll just quickly turn on the lights. So you can see the light has turned on. I'll turn it off. It turns off. Now I'll just take it forward. Just like this. Now back. So right, left. So it even streams the video. So I'll just go to Google, enter the IP address, and then we can go ahead. Guys, I've entered the IP address on the Chrome browser. So I'm using here the MotionEye OS, the same OS. So you can see it's streaming. So when I'm turning right, when I'm pressing over here right, it's turning right. When I'm pressing left, it's turning left. So you can see it's working perfectly, guys. If you all like my buddy, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.